So if you have signed up for Dezi tobacco scan data reporting service owned by Altria, and it was given to you free along with the Clover device that was also given to you for free, now you should probably be asking yourself a question: what about Reynolds and ITG? And I'm here to offer you that service that can be compatible with Dezi. So in other words, you don't have to get rid of Dezi or get rid of the free device that they have given you. You can continue using Dezi to do all of your reporting for Altria. And you can use our service, Tobacco Scan Data by CSI Works, to report your Reynolds and ITG. Our program is capable of working with all Clover devices, including Station, Mini, Flex, and I'm going to demonstrate using this Newport pack here. So let's do it. Let's go. So let's get started with the demonstration using a Clover Mini. And I'm just going to go straight to my Register app. And I have my Newport here. And I'm going to scan it once and twice. And the discount is triggered automatically. Let me just do a bit of a zoom in so you can see. There it is. The Tobacco Scan Data multi-pack for Reynolds on a Flex. And if you, so basically we're just going to start off with the discount scheduler. And we're going to sync up and we get our Reynolds multi-pack. There it is, and now it's active. And so now if we go to the Register app and save whatever we had, and I'll go ahead and just scan this barcode twice, and if we review the order, Reynolds multi-pack. We've demonstrated it on the Flex, we've demonstrated it on the Mini, and now let me show you that it also works on a Station. So let me just even, it doesn't really matter how you scan. Like, so you see I've scanned one with the camera. I'm gonna go into this one and say now there's two, and as soon as I've done that, the discount gets triggered. Even if we go, here's another way of doing it. Like I can navigate to tobacco. Where's my tobacco? There's my tobacco, right? And I can say 2 right here, and then click on Newport, and even that triggers a discount. So every device on Clover is capable of reporting and triggering discounts for Newport, and you as a merchant would be able to have full control. And now let me show you the capabilities on the web interface for the reporting, the part of it. And then whatever transactions you've done, during checkout is completely done on a Clover devices, and I've shown you that they can be done on the Station, Flex, and the Mini. And then upon logging into your Clover account and utilizing CSI Works Tobacco Scan Data app, you'd see this dashboard here, which enables you to see what's being sent. So like, for example, these were the files that we sent on merchant's behalf for either Reynolds or Altria. These are the timestamps. And then you can go inside the file here, right? And either like we can download the file. If there were any errors, they would be shown here. And then from here, you'd be able to modify them and fix the errors and resend the file if you needed to. Or if you want to download the file, you may do so here as well. Let me actually do this presentation real quick. And so if you ever wanted to know what a file looks like, it looks like this. This is what we're sending to Reynolds. And again, with Reynolds, we're capable of handling all Clover devices: Station, Duo, Pro, older stations, Minis, old generations, and Flexes. And I've demonstrated how that's done. And so the onboarding is helped with us. So we help with the onboarding process. And then it's just regular checkout experience. So call us and we'll help you get set up with Reynolds. Thank you.